Hello, my gingerbread and gentlemen. Welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. Name is Plunkett. Thanks for tuning in again. Now, I want to say welcome to all the new people that have subscribed to my channel. I'm at 173 subscribers. Yeah! But anyway, now today is Memorial Day Monday, and I just wanted to make a video. I know I post on Tuesdays and not on Mondays, but I missed last week. But anyway, let's get into it. So I was on Facebook again, as I always do. I'm on Facebook. Everyone is. And I saw a video where in New Jersey they're about to pass a law that will pretty much, you will now be arrested when you walk and text. So everybody that's walking in New Jersey and texting, you will be arrested if you're caught walking and texting. No, what do I think of this? I was laughing at it. It's ridiculous. It's just stupid. I guess their reasoning is that a lot of people walk and text and walk into cars, walk into light posts, and stuff like that. So I guess they want to protect people, I guess. But to me, I believe that they want to get more revenues for, that state and fuel the budget and stuff like that. But to me, it's senseless. It's like you're saying, oh, you cannot walk here, you cannot walk and text here, I will lock you up here. If I ever catch you walking and texting, I will arrest you here. No walking and texting, no walking, it's illegal. It's illegal in New Jersey, eh? Oh. I just laying around. But yeah, I think it's ridiculous. Let me know below if you walk and text. I think everybody walk and text, so that's a rhetorical question. So everybody walk and text. But just tell me what you think about this, and what if they actually, implement this in other states where, like New York, for instance, there's a lot of traffic, human traffic, people walking and texting. Just tell me what you think about this law and how you feel about it. Can you justify it, or justify them implementing this law to protect people? I just think it's plain crap. Because I think it's foolish. If you're going to tell somebody not walk and text, that mean they can't use their phone here. It's just ridiculous, and I'm just laughing at it. So tell me what you think about it. Enjoy your holidays, people. Have fun. Remember, JVLOGS, subscribe and share for more. Thanks again for subscribing. Look out for more content like these nice, things that you can talk about, interesting stuff. JVLOGS people, Plunkett, I'm out.
No, no.